learn about small alphabets A to P. Okay. So firstly we are doing oral. Look here. Look here and speak with me. Okay. Only do here oral work. A, small alphabets. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Also speak I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. P after which letter come? Yes, Q. Which letter come? Q. So look here. C. This one is capital Q. And this one is small q. Okay. Now, firstly I request all parents write first line and row lines according to PDF in your child notebook. Okay, like this. Okay. Now children, take your English notebook, take your pencil. Ready for writing? Good. So look here how to write small q. Firstly, q sound is qua. Come on, speak. Q sound is qua. Q sound is qua. Okay, understood? Okay, so how to write small q in line? So look here. Start from blue line. Put your pencil on blue line. Okay. Then row of C like this. Draw continuously upside and draw continuously downside. Which line touch? Red line. Last red line. Okay. Then draw slant line. So understood how to write small q? Firstly draw curve upside, draw continuously downside and slant line. Okay, once more revision. Look here, repeat here. Which line start? Blue. Come on, let's start. Draw firstly curve. Have you draw? Then draw continuously upside. Which side? Up. Then draw standing line downside and draw slant line red to blue upside like this. Okay? Look carefully all students. Then after you write. Okay? Good. Once again look here. First draw curve like this. Okay. Then draw continuously upside and draw standing line downside. Then draw slant line upside. This is a small q. You also write down in your book. Complete. Very good. Now, once again, curve, draw continuously, standing line, slant line. See, firstly, draw curve, upside, downside, slant line. Okay, so children, understand how to write small q in proper line. Okay. Which line you start? Blue line. Blue to red line. What row first? Curve. Then draw upside continuously downside slant line. This is a small q. Which letter is this? Small q. Which letter is this? Small q. P after Q. Now Q after, tell me. Yes, R. This one is capital R. Okay. And this one is small r. This one is small r. Q after R. And R sound is R. Speak. R sound is R. R sound is R. Okay. So how to write small r? Look here. Writing blue line. Which line? Blue line. Look. First row standing line. Then row upside continuously. Then up curve. Understood? Look here carefully. Then write. Okay. First standing line in blue line. Then row continuously upside and row curve. Up curve. Which curve? Up. This is a small r. Okay. See, like this. R for rose, R for ring, R for robot, R for red. Red color आता है ना? So speak and write. Okay. Once again look here. Standing line. Row continuously and curve. Small r. Okay. This is a small r. Okay. Very easy letter. How to write? Understood? Small r. Yes or no? Very good. Now I will teach you next letter. Now R after S. Okay. See. Capital S. This one is small s. S sound is so. S sound is so. So how to write small s? Look here, write in blue line. Which line? Blue line. Okay? Come start. Put your pencil blue line. Draw curve. Then draw another curve. Small s. Okay? Once again, look here carefully. See. Start from blue. Draw curve. Draw downside another curve. This is a small s. S for sun. S for shoes. Speak and write. Okay? You also write down. S for star, S for sun, S for smile, shoes, socks, many words for S. Okay. So this is a small s. Understood how to write? Very good. Look here. Once again, curve, then again curve. Okay. See, capital S, small s, both are same. But write in different line. This capital S write in 3 line. Okay. And this small s write in blue line. In blue line. Okay. Now children, S after. Yes. Very good. T. Capital T. Capital T. And look here. This one is small t. Small t. Okay. T sound is T. Speak. T sound is T. Okay. So how to write? In line. Look here. Start from red line. Put your pencil on red line and draw standing line. Which line draw? Standing. Have you draw? Good. Now draw continuously. Curve. Downside. Like this. And draw line slipping. Okay, complete. Once again look here. First row standing line, draw continuously like this, and draw sleeping line. This is a small T. Okay, you also write down in your book. Once again standing line, curve, sleeping line, small T. Which letter is this? Small T. Okay, T for train, T for tractor, T for toy. Okay, tomato. First draw which line? Standing. Then draw curve. Then sleeping line. So students understood how to write small t. Okay, write properly all students in your book. Okay, understood? S and T how to write? Okay, children. Look here. Q R after S T. So what we learned today? Q R S T. Understood? Okay, children. Bye.